Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a repository called username. Github. So Github can serve it automatically. Once created, push a main branch and add an index. HTML at the repository root. This file becomes your landing page entry. Make sure to select the page's source in settings, either main or GH pages, so files are published. This first step links your repository name to a website URL and makes deployment automatic. Get this right before adding design or assets. Next, create the visible site. Write concise HTML and add a CSS file under Assets or CSS and reference them from index. HTML. If you prefer faster styling, enable a Jekyll theme and add a config. IML to customize title, navigation, and plugins. Commit changes and push. GitHub pages will rebuild the site. Once done, check the repository's page's build status to confirm there were no errors, and tweak CSS or layout until the landing looks clean across desktop and mobile. Finally, verify the published URL shown in Pages settings and ensure HTTPS is enforced so visitors get a secure connection. Then test the page in multiple browsers and clear your cache or use an incognito window to see fresh builds. If the site doesn't load, inspect the page's build logs or GitHub actions for Jekyll errors. Common fixes include folder paths, missing index, HTML or invalid config, IML entries. Once resolved, commit fixes and redeploy for a live landing page.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.